Hi there, it's Russ again, and let's talk about AI meeting notes. Do you like to write meeting notes manually? Or maybe you prefer to type while being on the meeting? The latest and the most advanced way to take meeting notes is using AI tools. You can do it with ChatGPT or any other chat-based AI tools, or you can use specific tools like Blue Dot, and let me show you how it works in both ways. Now let's imagine that I want to use ChatGPT to generate notes. First and foremost, I need the transcript of the meeting. You can use transcription tools for that. You can use Google Meet Recorder, and I'm going to show the example with Google Meet. You can do that with Zoom as well. So if I go to my recording folder in Google and I go to the transcript, I need to select the full transcript, copy it, and go to ChatGPT. Here you can use a regular ChatGPT chat and ask it to generate meeting notes, or you can use the latest export ChatGPT features, basically like an app store for ChatGPTs. And here you can type meeting summary prompt. Please summarize the meeting from the transcript. So it already kind of offers you different templates. I just click and asks me to provide the transcript. I paste it. And now we just need to wait. As you can see, it generates key discussion topics, right? Highlights it, which is quite cool. There are lots of different topics it's focusing on, areas of alignment. So it's kind of cool that it generates so much, but I'm not sure I need all that information. That's the first concern. I'm not going to read all of that. And what's really hard with this type of summaries and transcript is that you don't have the full context. Like, the problem with ChatGPTs and all the other AI tools that they tend to hallucinate, add additional information that actually doesn't exist, or they come up with something. This is why it's better when it's less, but more accurate. And here I'm just afraid it's really too much. Like, what I'm gonna do with this type of transcript, and it asked me even to continue generating. I was running this meeting and I know that this not exactly what was discussed. Anyway, you can use different ChatGPTs for that in the store. You can just ask ChatGPT yourself, generate meeting notes for me with action items from the transcript below. What I like about this summary is that it's shorter, right? So it's more dense and it has all of the information I need and has action items and additional notes. That's exactly what I'm looking for. So play around with different ChatGPTs. Only issue with that is that I don't have the time, I don't have the exact information when this was discussed. In order for me to watch it, I need to go to the video and find these moments. Let me show you now how AI notes look in professional tools designed for that. For example, with tools like Blue Dot, it's an AI Chrome extension that transcribes your meetings, records the video, and generates AI meeting notes out of it. In order to install it, you need to click Install Free Extension, then you install it, and then I'll later show you how it works in the meetings, but let's just look how the meeting notes, AI meeting notes look like. So just go to one of the meetings, and here you can see on the right side, you have the full transcript with the names of the people. Then if we go to the section of template or the summary, you have the full overview with action items and with the highlights. This is where the biggest strength of such tools kind of show itself and manifest itself, is that you can see the timestamps and the exact moments when something was discussed. So it's not just the summary itself or the action items, but okay, when exactly this was, I can click on it. And the cool part about Blue Dot is that beside having the general notes and all the other type of notes like customer success or sales, so if you had a sales call or customer success, you can click and it will generate specific type of summary. You can create your own custom template. So imagine you have certain meeting that is happening over and over again, and you ask the same questions. All you need to do is just click New Custom Template and build it by writing the questions that you ask over and over again. Blue Dot will generate answers to this question. For example, here, recruiter screening interview. This is the type of call I sometimes have over and over again where I ask the same questions. Created this template with all the questions that I ask, and then when the meeting is over, I get the whole summary with answers to these questions. In order to record your meeting with Blue Dot, You just need to install this extension, then you click on it, you select what kind of summary you want to generate it, you select the language, by default it's English, and just start the recording. That's it. When recording is over, you will get the link to the recording, plus the transcript on the right side, plus the summary. So as you can see, even though the summaries might look a little bit similar to what ChatGPT is producing, but the whole process of generating is much smoother, and it's created specifically for AI meeting notes. Let me know if it's helpful. Have a good one.